Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today, got my Ipsy Glam bag plus in way earlier than it did last month. I'm still waiting on my regular Ipsy and my Boxy Deluxe this month. So, open up, it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. You could actually add on things, which, you know, last month was my first one to get, but you can actually add stuff to, like, add extras to your glam bag plus and your regular glam bag, and I did both. Okay, so this is one thing I added on. These are from Pharmacy, and I got the brightening coconut gel sheet mask, and I haven't tried the Pharmacy mask, but I think I gave the white mask we got, like, my niece because she needed a mask or something, vitamin C, whatever it was. So I got that one, and then so this is brightening, and this is a hydrating. So brightening with collagen, and then hydrating coconut gel mask with hyaluronic acid, which is really good. And my face loves coconut, so we should all be good. Oh, I see some ginger and bergamot and citrus, and coconut water's way up there. So that is good. Another thing I added was, you know, Ipsy did this whole collaboration with Tetris. I used to love playing that game. With Tetris, and they still have it as an offer. You can buy the whole thing for like 50 bucks, 40 bucks, something like that. And it has like 2 eyeshadow palettes, a few like a brush set, some chapsticks, some lip gloss, a few other things in there. So, but I wanted one of the brushes, and this is the smaller blender, I think. So, oh yeah, it's like a very nice little detailed blender, and it's super fun on the handle. So yeah, okay. So I wanted that, so I bought that. And then the next thing I got was I wanted the Tetris times Ipsy lip balm. It says game on. Yes. Hold on. What's that? Yes. Doesn't have any ingredients listed. Thanks, Ipsy. I don't know about that one. I love this packaging. It's like, it's a lightweight plastic, but it's totally so cool and fun. And I got this one just because it has this little bit of like purple in the middle. Oh, it smells really good. It smells vanilla. Very nice vanilla. Like new vanilla. So I'm just gonna pop that on. I don't really know if it gives you any color. It does a little bit actually. Like very light pink. It's very creamy. So it's something if you just want a touch of color you can't even really see. Also your lips really moisturized. It's full size, so it's cool. Don't know, Glam Bag Plus is like $25 a month and then tax. And you can get it in addition to your regular glam bag, which is why I've chosen to do these last couple months so far. Time will tell whether I get rid of one or none of them. Alright, and you open this up and it does tell you exactly what you got up in here. So the first thing I'm going to go through is from Tula Skincare, and I know some people got these kind of things, but I think they're a different kind. But from Tula. In BoxyCharm a couple months back. I did not. So you got 3 masks and they're all the same. They're Major Glow Cooling and Brightening Hydrogel Mask. Clean and effective. Probiotics and superfoods. It's $26 for these 3. I like how it's like this own little Ziploc bag moment. That's like totally neat and cute. All of Tula's Skincare Superfood Probiotic Pack formulas are developed to bring out your best, most radiant skin. This mask has a healthy dose of vitamin C to help brighten, papaya to exfoliate and nix dullness, and the probiotic skin lactococcus ferment lysate to hydrate. Beach bound. Use this mask after you get home. It makes dry super cooling and refreshing post-sun treatment. Or smooth each half of the mask over clean skin and let set for 5-10 minutes. Remove mask and then pat the remaining essence so it absorbs into your skin. It's actually all in English. So it says made in Korea, but everything's in English, you know. You don't have a split. Like part English, part Korean. So get immediate glow, hydration, and cooling action with the mask. The probiotics and superfoods like papaya and citrus help hydrate, protect, and add that major glow. So probiotics help calm the look of inflammation and add in moisture retention, and superfoods which give the appearance glowing and sweet appearance. They are phthalate, paraben, mineral oils, sodium lauryl, sulfates, formaldehyde, releasing agents. We are cruelty free. So they're 100% free from this, by the way. So I'm excited to try it. Next up, something you might have heard me talk about in my recent Beauty Bay haul about Suva. I don't know if they're great hydro liners. Yeah, they're called hydro liners. I think it's used to add water. I don't know if you have to add water. You activate using a wet makeup brush. But someone told me these crack. So I'm really excited. Even though it's black, I'm cool with that. They are supposedly all vegan. Yeah. So no carmine. I'm excited to try that because I actually get to experience it myself. And plus it's a black. When will I not use a black? Because I think I find my pretty vulgar eyeliner. It like got ate, disappeared, walked off. I don't know. So this is a full size. Okay, so and see why you need, it's like very hard looking. So I can see why you need to activate it with water. And it says this is hydro liner in grease and 620 brush set. The Suva Beauty aims to create beauty products that inspire creativity, starting with this liner and brush combo. The inky water activated cake liner, oops, cake, okay, there we go, glides on with smooth matte finish to create precise lines that won't smudge, fade, or transfer. With the ultra fine 620 brush, application is a cinch. Its pointed tip arms you with precision to create any line you make, from thick to thin and everything in between. To begin, wet the brush and dip it in the pan. Mix the liner, add more water if necessary until you get a nice creamy consistency. Trace your lash line to create your eye look. Let the product air dry before twisting the cap back on. Just to prevent mold and stuff. So, and I'm excited about this brush because you see that little bitty tip. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and probably swatch these. These are like my colors. I like these colors. Do I have a million? Yes, but I'm going to try them anyway. This little set is from Jolie Cosmetics Luxe Cream Matte Trio in Scuro, Lila, and Amore. Cruelty free and vegan, so thank you, Ipsy. They do contain jojoba seed oil, which is supposed to be really good. Yeah, right, like 6 or like 7, right, like 27. Yeah, they don't contain anything bad. I love the little box in the back, little hearts and stuff. So pull them out one at a time. Okay, so this is what they look like. They're very, very pretty. This one's Amore, which is fitting for very pretty red. This one is Sakuro, the purple, and Lila, I don't know, Lilla, just like a mauve. Okay, liquid lipstick soap, not anymore. Jolie's matte formula is super creamy, hydrating, and rich thanks to a magical blend of shea butter and jojoba oil with a trio of shades that look amazing on anyone, like Lila and understated rose. That's not rose. I think rose is more red, right? Or pink, like a pinky red. That's a mauve, but okay. Scuro, a dark plum. Okay, I get dark plum with this, yes. Which I will freaking rock in the winter. I love, or in the fall. Fall and winter, I rock the purples. In Amore, the ruby red you've been dreaming of. Maybe it is ruby. Yeah, okay, it's more ruby out of the thing. Ooh, very pretty. Okay. Consider your summer lip wardrobe complete. This is pretty much the only one I would wear in the summer. Maybe the mauve one, but mostly just this more I would wear in the summer. And don't worry about dry patchy spots. The soft matte finish looks super smooth, even, and velvety. Oh, shake well. Shake your liquid lipsticks, people. Use wand draw an X on your Cupid's bowl and add line in the center of your lip. Connect your top and bottom lips by lining with blah, 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 blah. Okay, it says actually to blot these and repeat for a full glam, full coverage effect. Never blot anything. Okay, value $54 for those three, so that comes out to $18 a piece. So that's cool. If I can read how much they are. 2.5 milliliters times weight. Okay. Love those. Next thing up is this thing that if you saw Cassie's video, it's very heavy. It made this box very heavy. If you saw Cassie's video, it made her scream with joy. This is CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream from Sunday Riley. I've been wanting to try some vitamin C stuff, skincare stuff. I haven't had the opportunity, or I don't have much that has it. I have a couple things, but I've been going through other things. That's it. But I've really been wanting to try either a serum or a really rich moisturizer with vitamin C in it. This is valued at $65 and it's full size at 50 grams, which I think is 1.7 ounces. I don't know. With a commitment to clean formulas and pure effective ingredients, Sunday Riley makes products you can feel good about using. The moisturizer is infused with ultra potent vitamin C to help fight skin damage and visibly brighten your skin while adding a dewy, luminous glow. Massage into clean skin AM and or PM. It'll probably be my AM thing. Infused with 5% vitamin C, CEO moisturizer is deeply hydrating without being greasy to visibly brighten dull skin, fight the signs of dehydration and damage, and provide advanced antioxidant support. Formulated with THD ascorbate, a powerful jar-stable and highly targeted vitamin C derivative that prevents and repairs the visible sign of premature skin aging while being significantly less irritating than other forms of vitamin C. That's the only thing that holds me back sometimes. Vitamin C can be. Oh yeah, I didn't want to be irritating. And apply to clean skin twice a day. This would probably be like more just a day thing because I do like a sleeping mask, which is enough moisture for me at night after my serum and after my oil. So I don't like doing another moisturizer besides a sleeping mask. But I'm going to keep it closed because see how it's this dark orange. It keeps it from being exposed to light. So I'm going to keep it closed. Apparently it looks a little slightly yellow. Some samples. Okay, I've never tried Sunday Riley anything. I have, I think, one little sample that I still haven't tried. Because the thing is, I did not want to get addicted or like find a holy grail product because these are so expensive. Now I realize, like, nowadays the thing I will spend money on besides an eyeshadow palette, and it has to be a pretty one, non-carmine filled one, is skincare more than anything. Like, I won't try out every formula of foundation because I know I don't want a full coverage foundation. I don't want to have to try out a full coverage foundation when I don't know I won't like it probably. This and blushes and palettes. That's about it. That's like where my last thing in here is from Ipsy's collaboration with Tetris, and this is the, do they call this anything? Game On. It does say Game On. Okay, this says Game On eyeshadow palette. This is, we partner with iconic video game Tetris on its 35th anniversary. To create limited edition collection celebrating our different sizes, shapes, colors, and unique beauty. This shadow palette comes with 6 richly pigmented, velvety, buildable shades to create any eye look you want, from subtle, smoky to bold and beyond. and gives you a couple eye looks to try. It's valued at $24. It's actually significantly bigger. I thought like a 6-pan eyeshadow would be about this big and this big, you know. It's actually really pretty big. I mean, they do waste a lot of space. It's totally adorable though, with little hearts. So this is what mine looks like. I love the mustard. I love that like greenish gold. And you got this navy and the rolls, like very pretty. However, even though it doesn't say it on here, on their app, if you're like me and you sneak peeks, it tells you the ingredients. Okay, this thing has carmine in it up the wazoo, so I can't even use it. So, but I don't like why Ipsy would you do 2 products at least that do not have the ingredients on them? And this is the packaging, right? There's no ingredients listed. There's none listed. That's not safe and kind of dangerous. At least for me. Say like, you know, I didn't know, I didn't look. If it hadn't even been on the app, I would have emailed them. But like, what's the ingredients up in this thing? Because I'm allergic to carmine, so I don't know if I can use this. So anyway, I can't use this. But it's still pretty good. My box is valued at $205. Wow. Okay, because really the CEO stuff in the Jolie Cosmetics Matte Cream Trio, which they've gone matte now. They do not look drying. They won't be drying because look, I can smear them a little bit, so you know that type of formula. They're probably not gonna smear all over the place, but it's not gonna be drying on your lips. You can tell, and it looks really nice. Like they're not cracking or anything. Granted, I've had them on like for like 2 minutes, but they're not cracking or anything, so I think they'll be really nice and comfortable on your lips. Welcome to the lot party. Did I say that? That's what it says. So I'm pretty happy with that, even though I can't use the palette. It's fine. Like I got mask, I got a liner set with a liner brush, which I will need definitely if I can get those Halloween looks pumped out this year, or if I ever do another collaboration. And then this stuff, try full size, yes. Okay, go Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is pretty daggum awesome. Okay, so anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles!